guys, Yana. So I'm doing a review on this hair, and I'm actually doing a makeup tutorial for this look using the Crayon case matte book. So let's begin because I'm just going to get right to it. This hair is from Alipearl. Alipearl is a very popular vendor a lot of people go to. So I got the hair. I ordered it like a week ago. It came in 3 days, which is really good fast shipping. I really like it a lot. It's very soft, silky, and I paid my hard-earned money with it. So this is just my personal experience. So I bought the hair a week ago, like I said, and I got 4 bundles and a frontal. I got a 20-inch frontal, a 22, 24, 26, and 28 of Brazilian straight. So the hair came in like a 1B off black brownish color, and I dyed it jet black. I used the Revlon mixed with the Adore semi-permanent, and it came out this black color. Let me show y'all. This is how long the hair is. This is how long the hair is. It's really long. It's really long to be 28. It could pass for 30. So I know y'all want to get to the point. When I got the hair, when I first had, I had mixed reviews. Some people said it was good. Some people said it was bad. My personal experience, I actually like it so far. And it's so far, but it'd be good the first time, but then you gotta see after a while how long it'll last. Let's do this. So when I did my hair, I get no strands. No strands. The frontal was really nice. And my cousin Dominique made it for me. She made it to a wig, so I can take it on and off and reuse. I really like it. It's silky, soft, and she washed and everything. Now for the hair, it don't stay like bone straight when you wash it. It has like a slight wave and it get thicker. But truth be told, it's fine though because it's thick, and when you flat it, it gets bone straight again. Just the ends. The ends are very, very nice. Now, how much I paid for it? I paid about $292. I think that's pretty good for some virgin hair for 4 bundles of front. That's pretty good, to be honest. Now, what else? Yeah. So they're very nice customer service, and I like the fact they're very considerate. Not only did they, before they shipped it out, they actually contacted me, said just to verify where I live at, my full name, is this correct? And they updated me every time the package was shipped out. I really like that. That's very considerate. I really like that. I'll give them a 5-star for that. So, see, this hair is just really nice. And don't think I'm just doing this. No, I'm doing this on my own. And I'm telling y'all, I'm being honest with you. I mean, who wouldn't want good hair? And nobody wants to spend their hard-earned money on some hair and then it be bullshit. Like, who wants that? I really like it. Y'all see I keep playing with it. It's just so lit. Like, shout out to Dominique. She did a good job with it. This hair is really nice. I'll probably buy it in the future. I'm not quite sure yet. I'm gonna give it like a few months to see how it lasts. I'm gonna give it like 2-3 months. If it lasts pretty long around that time, I would definitely buy some hair. And I might dye it, make some blonde hair and dye it. So Alipearl, so far I like your hair. Really good. Y'all can see this is just like whipping it. Oh, y'all see my makeup too. I did this look off of PB Face Charts, and I'm actually put the Instagram down below in the description. She has like face charts, and she show you what colors to use, how to do it, and she's very cool. Like she said, just if you do it, just tag her. But other than that though, This look is so bright. It's pigmented. It's colorful. It reminds me of, like, you know, a Pegasus, like a unicorn. And I definitely have a tutorial on this coming up soon. So this is all I have so much on the hair. And if you definitely want to see how I get this look, stay tuned. Comment, like, subscribe, and I will see you soon. Okay, so let's begin. As y'all can see, my brows are already done. I got them out the way with because I thought it'd been pretty repetitive to redo them on video. If I made 4 other videos, I redo my eyebrows. So we're just going to get to the eyeshadow part. Face charts. I want to be bright and colorful. So what we're going to do is take the P. Louise base. It looks like this. And this is actually Rumor Zero. So this is completely a white blank canvas. So that's what we're going to do. M173 brush. It looks like this. And I'm just going to pat this all over the lid. We're going to do, this is the Crayon case. This is the matte book. Y'all can see. I like it a lot. Super really did her thing with this. The Crayon case is amazing, period. I really like her work. It's really good. And it's really good pigmentation for prices. I recommend it. My Morphe 570. These two. With this pink color here. This is another company. It's called Honey Cosmetics. This is a cosmetics company based in Baltimore, Maryland. So we're taking this color right here. Color, I'm taking this light purple color right here. Dark purple right there. You know, see? Wait. Now let's first see if it's good, because white eyeshadow is very hard to make. Oh wow. It's pigmented. It's not like chalky. That's good. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. So I'm taking this green from the Honey Cosmetics palette. It's like a bright neon green. A little bit of this green and add a little bit of white to it. Taking this green right here in the middle. Right here.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.
We're gonna mix these two blues right here. Like that. So my lashes I'm taking, they are called Taj. They really dramatic. I think it looks so
Till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on
y'all see. It is so dramatic. Okay, you guys, so I'm done my face. So this is the finished look. And what I used was, I used the Infallible 24-Hour Fresh Wear by L'Oreal Paris in 525 Deep Golden. I used, let's see, y'all know my favorite concealer, LA Girl Pro Conceal. And this time I used Warm Honey because I got like a warm golden undertone, and Cool Tan was just not sitting right. Then I used the Luxury Midnight Banana Powder, a oldie but goodie, still comes in handy. I used to contour my face, see? I used the Black Opal Foundation Sticks. I used Suede Mocha and Ebony, what's this? Yeah, Ebony Brown. And for my highlight, I used the Crayon case. I hate when it does that. Hold up. I hate when it does that. Oh shit. I used the Rosy Glow highlight powder. Y'all can't see it though. But yeah, it's the rose gold one. I love it. So soft. And for my lips, I actually used a couple stuff for my lips, so you can just put a nude if you want to, or like a nice soft pink. But first I used Chestnut lip line by MAC. Then I used Cork lip line after I used the Chestnut. Then I used Ruby Kisses lipstick like this in Brown Sugar, my absolute favorite. Then on top of that I used the, what's this called? I think this is Revlon. Is it? Yep, it's Revlon Super Lustrous lipstick and 668 Primrose. Looks like this. So pretty. And on top of that, I just put some clear lip gloss. I got this from the beauty supply store for $1. And when I tell you this is lit, this is lit. People's like, you really get $1 beauty store? I'm like, yes, girl, it's lit. Like, when I'm telling you, this is like a dupe for MAC clear lip gloss. I love it. Like, this is just giving me, you know, little Barbie vibes. You know, with the nice jet black hair. You know, I got my bamboo earrings, you know, the long nails. So y'all look at my nails though. These are lit. Like, it's just giving me, it's just a vibe. Thanks for watching, you guys. I hope you like it. Comment, like, and subscribe. And follow me on Instagram. And see you soon. Bye, baddies.